we have given algebraic fraction and we need to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. Because we have fraction and we know that we can reduce fraction only when we have multiplication. So first we have to rewrite numerator and denominator to multiplication. So it means we have to factorize numerator and denominator. Let's see what we have here. We have 3m minus m squared. First, before 3 we have coefficient 3 and before m is invisible 1. So 3 and 1, the common factor, greatest common factor is 1. So when we take 1, it didn't change anything. So we cannot factorize any number, but we have m and m squared. So we have to choose the variable with the lowest power. The lowest power is invisible 1. If you don't have power, it's always invisible 1. So we will have in numerator m and in parentheses what will be 3m divided by m is 3. And we have minus m squared divided by m is m. In another way, you have to ask yourself, we have 3m here. By what number I have to multiply m to get 3m? By 3. m times 3 is 3m. And now we have here m squared. So by what expression I have to multiply m to get m squared? By m. m times m, it gives you m squared. So in numerator, if I multiply by m every expression in parentheses, I will have the same expression what I have at the beginning. And in denominator, let's see what we can factorize. We have 9 and invisible 1. So we cannot factorize the number because when we factorize 1, it will not change anything. So next we have variable m and m. So we have to choose the lowest power. Here is invisible 1. So we will choose m. We don't have to write this 1 times. And now by what I have to multiply m to get 9m? By 9. In another word, 9m divided by m is 9. And we have minus to copy, and here we have m squared. And I have m only. By what expression I have to multiply m to get m squared? By m. Or in other words, you have to ask yourself how much it is equal m squared divided by m is m. So now if you multiply every expression in parentheses by m, you will have exactly the same what we have at the beginning. m times 9 is 9m, and m times negative m is negative m squared. So now you have multiplication, and before parentheses in numerator we have m and m. So we can reduce m and m, we have 1. And now in parentheses we have different numbers, 3 and 9. So we cannot reduce anything. We have 1 times 3 minus m in numerator, and in denominator we have 1 times 9 minus m. When we multiply by 1, it doesn't change anything, so we have in numerator 3 minus m over 9 minus m. This is my solution.